Hi everyone, Vadim here. In just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how it's done. Picture this. You open a PDF, maybe a 20-page medical report, business contract, an academic article, or your uncle's famous paella recipe. And surprise, surprise, it's in Spanish, or French, or Chinese, or even worse, it's a scanned PDF. Basically, a stack of pictures dressed up as a document. Sure, of course, you could try Google Translate. Copy a line here, paste a line there, but pretty soon the formatting breaks, tables vanish, and you're left with something that reads more like ransom note than a report. So how do you make it faster, smarter, and less stressful? That's where ChatGPT 5 comes in. Here's how you do it. Let's say that you have this academic article in Spanish as PDF file. All you need to do is upload it into ChatGPT and issue a prompt. Translate the Spanish academic article into English. Maintain headings, references, and footnotes. Use formal academic language. This prompt works because academic readers need structure and citations. This prompt also ensures that the translation stays publishable. Here's an example of the recipe in Spanish. Recipes have different considerations, and the most important one is that they should be easy to follow. And here's an example of the prompt for that. Translate the Spanish recipe into English. Rewrite preparation steps in clear, casual English. And here's the best part. By asking for a casual tone, you get something you would actually use in the kitchen. Here's the deal. ChatGPT isn't just a text translator. It can perform OCR on scanned PDFs, pulling real text out of images. It can also translate text into smooth, natural English. It can also rebuild the result as a properly formatted Microsoft Word document, so you can keep tables, headings, and structure. And here's the best part. You control the style. Want a professional legal translation? Done. Need an academic summary? Easy. Looking for something clear and casual like a recipe? No problem. ChatGPT adapts for your needs. The key is to use a good prompt. Let me share with you some real examples. Considerations are very different when you're working with business documents. Contracts demand precision. This is why we need a prompt that tells ChatGPT to keep the formatting intact and adapt a professional legal tone. And here's a prompt for that. Translate the scanned Spanish business contract into English. Use OCR if necessary. Preserve tables and formatting and export the results as Microsoft Word document. And in seconds, you get the Word document ready to download. What if you deal with medical report? In healthcare, accuracy is non-negotiable. But I have a prompt for you which aligns terms with US usage and keeps medications clear. Translate the Spanish medical report into English. Ensure terminology matches US clinical standards and preserve drug names accurately. And in seconds, your professional English translation is ready. One important consideration when working with ChatGPT or any AI is the security. If your PDF includes sensitive data, contracts, financials, medical records, think twice before uploading it to a cloud-based translator. Here are some options I have for you. You can anonymize the document first, remove names or confidential details. You can use local OCR tools to extract text and only then upload non-sensitive parts. Convenience is very powerful, but confidentiality matters. Don't upload your top-secret acquisition papers unless you're comfortable with cloud services. Now, translations are just the beginning. With ChatGPT, you can also summarize the documents. And here's a prompt for that. You can compare documents as well. You can adjust the style of the document. You can control terminology, and you can handle multiple languages at once. So let's recap. ChatGPT can OCR scanned PDFs. It translates them into fluent natural English. It also rebuilds clean and formatted Word documents. You can tailor your prompts for legal, academic, medical, or casual needs. And you need to always weigh the security before uploading sensitive files. Whether it's a thesis, contract, or grandma's paella recipe, ChatGPT makes translation faster, smarter, and a lot less stressful. I appreciate you for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Training for Everyone if you found this helpful. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.